Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I hope you had a good weekend. Yes, no, no, you guys didn't have a good weekend. Are you guys there?
Yes, ma'am.
So, Mukesh, you didn't have a good weekend. What happened? Why are you guys not answering? Yesterday, lockdown in Tirupur. Oh, that's sad. Tirupur. Lockdown has started there? What about the other places? What about in your place, Kristen? Only for your
Yeah, ma'am.
district.
Like the shops are open, the groceries, the daily essential shops till 8 p.m. And this,
Okay.
it is not strict that much.
Where are you in? Where are you at?
Ma'am, Thane.
Money, that's not. Okay, okay. All right. So yeah, with lockdown and restrictions, you guys are anyway at home. Okay, so let's proceed. I cannot switch on my because I am using my data and I need to present my screen. If I switch it on, then I will not be able to present it. Okay, so last class we saw how to for a cantilever beam with 2 point loads, how to draw the shear force diagram and the bending moment diagram. So today we'll take 3 more problems and solve. Okay. So I hope you guys are following. So draw the diagram. Oh, great. It stopped. 1 minute. Just a second. I'll be back. I'll just try to restart the system. All right, somehow it's not working out. I'll do one thing. I'll just draw the question and display the screen. Okay, just a minute. Give me 2 minutes. So this is the problem that we're gonna do. Can you see the screen? Can you all see the screen? Please respond. We don't have time.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah. So please draw this diagram, and I want you to find out what is. Take the middle point as C. Okay, I didn't write that. And let's do the SFD. First, try to calculate what is SFD. Okay, you guys also solve. So we have to find. So on at B there is a point load. So we're gonna take after B and at B. Okay. Ma'am, you using your phone? Okay. Yeah. I tried with my phone, but it's not connecting. But you will need your phone, no? There. Mm. Okay, so first step is you need to find out the reaction force. So you have a reaction force here. So what will be the reaction force? Five multiplied, so minus 5 minus 3 into 4. So 12 plus 5. Yeah. So 17 kilonewton, and this is your RA. Okay, and MA is going to be 5 multiplied by 5 and plus 3 into 4 multiplied by 2. So it's going to be 25 plus 24. So that is 49. So I'll just write it here. Kilonewton meter. Okay. I hope all of you are solving. Yeah, yeah. I don't know why mine is not working. This is also Airtel only. Call comes, you cut it. Yeah. So yeah, so if you see my screen now, Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the diagram. First step is to find out the reaction forces. So the reaction force is 17 kilonewton and 49 kilonewton per meter. And for SFD, so this is the calculations for that. RA, 5 plus 3 into 4 gives you 17 kilonewton. MA is going to be 5 multiplied by perpendicular distance is 5 plus 3 into 4 multiplied by 2. So you'll get 49 kilonewton per meter. So that's the first step. So that is completed. Next is shear force diagram. So I told you yesterday, if it is a point load, you'll have to do just after B and at B. Okay. So just after B is 0, at B is 5 minus 5 kilonewton. Now at C, why am I not taking after and at? Because there is no point load there. It's a uniformly distributed load. So just at C, again till here you have to consider only this side of the diagram. So only one force is there, that is minus 5 kilonewton. Now after A, why are we doing after and at? Because there is a point load. Because point load is a sudden change. So you will have to draft 2 points. Okay. So after A, what all other forces we see? 5 kilonewton, 3 into 4. So minus 5 minus 3 into 4. And at A, it's going to be minus 17 plus 17. It's going to be 0. Okay. So now you can plot the graph. So for it's all minus, so I'm just going to draw a line here, and this is going to be A, C, and B. Okay, so you have 0 over here, and then minus 5, again minus 5 here, and at A, after A it is minus 17. So just on A you have to mark minus 17 and 0. So you just have to join the points. Okay, so it's a negative SFD. This is minus 17 kilonewton. This is minus 5, minus 5. Clear? Okay. So now coming to BMD. So if I want to plot BMD, you just have to plot at B. What is the bending moment at B? Bending moment at C, and bending moment at A. So bending moment at B is going to be 0 because we are considering only this part of the diagram. Oh, why it's not? We are considering only this part of the diagram. Okay, so there is no force, so it's going to be 0. All right. Next is at C. What is the bending moment? The bending moment is 5 multiplied by 1. And what is the um, direction? Direction is going to be in this direction. So it is, what is it? Clockwise. And clockwise is, we are taking it as minus. So it is 5 So answer is minus 5 kilonewton meter. This is also 0 kilonewton meter. Now at A. At A you have minus 5 into 5 minus 3 into 4 into 2. So it's going to be minus 49. Okay, I'm not writing it. All right, so if I draw the BMD diagram, I just have to plot A, C, and B. Okay, and this is 0. At point C it is minus 5 kilonewton meter, and at point A you have 49, and at this point. Okay, so it is 49 minus 49 kilonewton per kilonewton meter. Okay, now when you draw the BMD diagram, this, if it's a point load and no load, so there's a point load here and there is absolutely no load, zero load here, so it has to be a straight line. Okay, but if it's a UDL, it should be a parabolic curve. Okay, so please make sure this is a parabolic curve. Okay, it should be a parabolic curve and you have a negative bending moment. Clear? Shall we go to the next question? Can we go to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
All right. So we'll do this a little faster. See, the concept is the same in every problem. This is also simple. Got it? So this is the problem. So let's find the reaction forces first. So RA, you have 2 multiplied by 4 plus 8. MA, 2 multiplied by 4 is the load, multiplied by, you have 3 plus 2. Okay, this is 3. So this distance will be your perpendicular distance. I hope you're getting it. Plus 8 into 4 into 2. So MA value is 56. Yeah. 5 8 50. So you should get 56. Just take a screenshot. Those of you who have not written. So you have reaction force 16 kilonewton and MA is 56 kilonewton meter. Okay. So now moving ahead to the BMD, no SFD. Okay, SFD. So at B there's no point load. At D just after C, and then at C, just after A, and at A. Okay, so at B it's going to be 0, at D 2 into 4 minus 2 into 4. Why is my thing not working? Don't forget the units. So after C is again the same. At C, oh, at C it's going to be minus 8 minus 8 minus 16. So I'm just writing it directly, there's no space. Please ask me doubts if you're not able to follow, okay? And stop me. After A again it's going to be minus 16 only, and at A it's going to be 0 kilonewton. Can I draw this SFD? Guys, can you respond? Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm rubbing this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just take a screenshot, those of you who have not written, so that you know it will be. So I draw the line A, C, D, and B. Now plot the points. Let's take B a little on this side. Plot the points 0, minus 8, minus 8. No, at D, at B it is 0. Okay, only 1 point. And then at D it is minus 8. Okay. After at C there are 2 points, minus 8 and 16. At A it's 16 and then 0. So I told you join the points. Just join the straight lines in SFD diagram. So this becomes your negative SFD. So kilonewton. This is also 8. This is minus 16. This is minus 16. Okay. Now coming to BMD. So for BMD, you're going to take at B, D, C, and A. So at B, it's going to be 0. At D, it's going to be 2 multiplied by 4 minus multiplied by, you're calculating with respect to point D. So multiplied by 2. So it's going to be 16. Okay. What about point C? With respect to point C, it's going to be again, okay, this I have to write it a little clearly. I hope you guys are able to follow. C. How will you write C? Again, minus 2 into 4 is the load. What is the perpendicular distance? 1 plus 2, because we're calculating from point C. So 1 plus 2, so it's 3. Okay, so it's going to be 8 multiplied by 3, so that is 24. Minus 24 kilonewton meter. Now point A. Point A is going to be 0. Okay, I'll write point A here. It's not able to write it there. Oh. Okay, point A is going to be minus 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 plus 2, 5 minus 8 into 2. So it is minus it is minus 56 kilonewton meter. Okay, clear? So if I draw the diagram, it's going to be B 0. 1 second. E, C, D, and B. So it's going to be 0, and at D it's minus 16. At C it's 24. At A it is 56. So from B to D it's going to be a parabolic curve. Okay, from C to D it's straight line. From A to C again it's straight line, and then this is also straight line. So it's a negative bending moment diagram. So here you have minus 16 meter, and then you have minus 24 kilonewton meter, minus 56. Got it? And this is a curve. Okay? Yeah, time's up. So for this unit in your notebook, I want all of you to, draw all these diagrams, and at the end of the unit, you have to submit an assignment, okay, which will be counted as your quality assessment. So you have to draw everything in scale that I know whether you're able to understand the concept or not. Okay, so we will be solving for cantilever beam, simply supported beam, and overhanging. Okay, so we have so today's class, I'll give you another problem to do it as homework. Okay, you guys are done with this. Did you write this down? Did you write this down, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so do this problem as homework. No, do all the problems. We have done like 4 problems till now. Please do everything as homework. There is a point load, and this is the extra problem that we have. Okay, so I'll give you time till Friday to submit cantilever. Okay, so please submit that. All right, meanwhile, I'll just take attendance. Please answer your attendance. Karan,
Yes, ma'am.
Alan,
Yes, ma'am.
Subhashram,
Present, ma'am.
Richin,
Present, ma'am.
Tom,
Present, ma'am.
Denny,
Present, ma'am.
David,
Present,
Shalini,
ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Ryan, Aston,
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Jacob, Evans,
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Praveen, Vishnu, Jerry,
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Jerry, Prashant, Mukesh,
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Ashwin, Rohit,
Present, ma'am. 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 Present, m Present, ma'am.
Abhikash Tarun,
Present,
Present,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ram Shriram,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Arun Siol,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Jason, Kristen,
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Akash,
Present, ma'am.
Febin, Mohammed,
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Alex, Sam,
Present, ma'am. Sam Shallow.
Alex, Ajay,
Present, ma'am.
Jeffrey, Deepak, Jeffrey
Present,
Nathaniel.
ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Okay, Sushil, Joel Verma,
Present, ma'am.
Richard, Gibson, Mithun,
Richard, present.
Present, ma'am.
Mithun,
Richard, present, ma'am.
Mithun,
Ma'am, present, ma'am.
okay, Gibson Sam,
Yes, ma'am.
Varateja, Aditya.
Teja present, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, absentees are Sushil Raj, Alex,
Ma'am, present. Alex, present, ma'am.
Alex is present, and Jerry.
Ma'am, Jerry also present, ma'am.
So only 41 absent. Sushil Raj. Okay, saving. All right, thank you, and I'll see you guys in the
Ma'am,
next class.
ma'am, for the internals, you haven't uploaded anything in Google Classroom.
Internals you have till what I teach till Wednesday.
Ma'am, can you at least upload?
Ma'am.
Yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that.
Ma'am.
Yeah, Karan.
Ma'am, any Google Classroom code, ma'am?
Code you don't know?
No, ma'am. Don't know,
One minute.
ma'am.
I'll take out and give you. 1 minute.
Oh.
I'm putting the invite link on the chat box. Karan, did you get it?
Thank you, ma'am. I got it, ma'am.
Okay. Shall I close the classroom?